So we started talking about universal theme. I won't go too deep with with my slides. Pretty much the point is we want to be versatile, we want to be interesting, we want to be modern, we want to be able to run applications on any size of the screen, like mobile apps or tablets or desktop screens. And I think Skib and the team did a excellent job. Um, what many developers and me including sometimes forget is that Universal Theme comes with heaps of built-in stuff, not just classes in this case, but that we can utilize, and very often we miss them and sort of go our own way, and then halfway through we realize that we could have done this quite easily and differently by just applying like things that are already there and available for us. In some people from Apex community went through the trouble, and sometimes I would probably not sometimes, but I sometimes would, when a new release of Apex is coming out, they like download the uh, Apex files and go through them like JavaScript files or CSS stuff, and pretty much some of people went through it and they took out the classes for us, and I just noted here some of them, right? The point is, if you open a universal theme application and inspect the elements in the like on your browser with F12, you would notice that there are heaps of these classes available for us to use without having to write a single line of CSS, and many of us forget that, right? Especially people who are new to Apex.